Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the cause. Open Task Manager and watch CPU percent while Roblox runs. Note spikes and which processes compete for cycles. Once done, reduce Roblox graphics to low and cap frame rate at 60. This lowers CPU-driven frame builds. You should also close non-essential background apps, especially browsers and overlays, because they steal cycles. Finally, ensure Windows and your GPU driver are updated, so you don't fix symptoms while a driver bug persists. Now you optimize execution. Set your power plan to high performance or balanced to prevent CPU downclocking during gameplay. Next, use Task Manager to set CPU affinity for Roblox to limit core contention or reduce in-game script intensity if you control the place. Heavy scripts make CPU-bound frames. Disable overlays and add Roblox. EXE to your antivirus exclusion list so real-time scanning does not interrupt cycles. If stuttering persists, toggle VSync off to change GPU versus. Finish with advanced checks. Monitor CPU temperatures because thermal throttling above around 90 degrees C will drop clocks and ruin performance. Clean dust, improve airflow, or reapply thermal paste if needed. Within Roblox, lower render distance, particle counts, and physics update rates to reduce CPU load. Once you've applied changes, test a clean boot, and if necessary, reinstall the Roblox client to clear corrupted files. If the problem continues, one key troubleshooting tip. Run a clean boot and observe CPU usage to isolate conflicting software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.